Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create a school timetable in HTML. So let's begin. You can see I've already written the HTML head, title and body tags. Now let's start the coding for the table. First I will write the table tag, and in the table tag I will add the border. I will give border equals to 2 in the quotes. Now I will close the table tag. Now I will start it a tier tag which represents table row. Then in the tier tag I will insert th tags. Th means table heading. In the first th we will give periods. Then I will close this th, then again start a new one. Now in the new th I will write 1 for first period. Then again I will start a new th. Here I will write 2. Then again a new one. In this I will write 3. I will continue this up to I reach the sixth period. You can see I have done until the sixth period. Now I will close the tr, then again start a new tr. In this tr I will give again th. In this th I will write Monday. Then I will close the th, then start td. In this td I will first write English. Then I will close the td and again start a new one. Now in this td I will insert maths. I will continue this up to I reach the sixth subject. You can see I have inserted 6 subjects. Now Let's move on to the next day, which is Tuesday. I will close the TR tag first. Now I will again start a TR tag. In this TR tag, I will again give TH. In this TH, I will give Tuesday. Now I will continue the same process I did for the first row, like this. You can see that I am done adding the rows and columns and days and subjects of all the days of the week. Now I want to color this whole row blue. So let's see how we will do that. For doing that, first I will go to the first TR which I created, which is the first row also, which means this row. Then I will write BG color, then equals to, then in quotes I will write blue. You can see the whole row is blue. Now I want to color this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday cells blue also. So I will go here and in Monday TH I will write BG color equals to blue. You can see it's blue. Now I will do the same for the other cells. You can see I'm done adding background colors to the cells. And this is how we create a school timetable in HTML and add colors to the background of the cells. If you like this video and learn something new, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day ahead.